Ask the OTT people what took them so long to offer me one. I wasn't, because I was always told that I'm quite an overexposed television face. So hence, it doesn't work for them.
Yeah, my best friend is an actor and my contemporary.
You know, I do have friends in the industry, aisa nahi hai. Yeah. I have lots of acquaintances. Barka's a friend. The first thing I ran to her room. I was like, hello, I'm back.
I'm back in your life.
Back.
You were just 6.
Right, na? 6, na?
Yes.
Wow. But tell me
You're making them do the math right now.
Anurag says, like, he puts me her samne and he was like, he's just shocked. He didn't say a word. He clicked a picture of mine and he sent it to his mother.
I've had directors approach me now who have seen some of my work and said that, how come I didn't know of you before? These fleeting crushes on some, I look at some profile and say, wow, nice looking, or dances well, or nice body, or whatever. And then I'm like stalking that person. I don't remember the name, honestly.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Urvashi, Barkha, Yash and Riva. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good.
Good. How are you? All good, all good. It's lovely to see the banter between the two of you. But for the rest of you, how long did it take to actually break the ice?
I think we instantly broke ice because we started, we met in November and December actually.
No,
2023.
Right.
23.
And I think it was quick.
Yeah,
Like,
it was
quite
we were
easy.
there to just click some photos and we just started talking about random stuff. Then
I
we were
think-
asking about
yeah.
each other and then we just hit it.
Once you start, you know, when you have your age group people around you, you start talking, then you never stop talking,
Yes.
you know.
Yeah.
And then I think we became like quite comfortable with each other instantly only because then we had our rehearsals, our costume trials where we met every day. So I think you get, you know, comfortable with all of them. I got very easily.
Yeah. It's great that you got along, because I'm sure it's very difficult to work with people you don't get along. Hota hai na, but
Yeah. And
Yeah,
that's bound to happen,
Well, I think-
especially
yeah,
when
of
there's
course.
so many people
Yeah,
together.
exactly.
Yeah.
absolutely.
We're quite a unique set, actually.
Yeah. Yeah,
all
actually.
loved each other.
Everybody loves each other.
That's fab. That's lovely. But since we are talking about all the elements and the power of the elements, I heard you know, talking about how each of you actually represent, you know, what element you are portraying in the show. But I want to know, now that you know each other really well, why don't you tell, you know, about each other, you know, what element do they really represent? Let's start with air. Who do you think is perfectly fits the bill?
Him.
Hands down.
You're the cleanest air.
Yeah, he wants to be the cleanest air. Remove all pollution.
He has taken उसने वो ले लिया है copyright.
Seriously
air.
ले लिया है.
बहुत seriously लिया है.
Yeah, but yeah, he's definitely air. He's quiet like the air. You can't hear the air too much. He's a very quiet kid.
He's there and not
Yeah,
there.
there and not there. So it's like, yeah, he's transient, just like air. And yet there, very, very present. So yeah, that would be him.
Yeah.
Who's fire then? I thought everybody would point
Urvashi ma'am, fire for sure.
And not for anything else. I think my fire is always looked as a destroyer. Fire is also extremely calming. It's warming.
Exactly.
It's energetic, it's
the
passionate.
warmth.
Passionate. Yes, that's definitely a word I'd use for her. So yeah, that would
She
be
has
her.
that warmth and she's, you know, like
how?
like
She's a very
this.
warm person, actually. She's very warm.
Who's
you're very
water then? Between, or any, if
between
anybody
me and
else
Reba,
also
no.
represents.
I don't think any of between us, I don't think anyone's water.
I don't know. What element would I be?
Earth.
Earthy
Oh,
bacha.
yeah.
है ना?
Oh, touch.
Why?
And
For
what I
mine?
would-
You're grounded.
I'm
You're
grounded.
grounded and
and I would be
she's water.
I was just, yeah, she could be water, like a
could be
bubbly
water.
stream.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
like,
You know?
goes with the flow.
Goes with the
Yeah,
flow.
not
Keeps
like the
flowing.
deep sea
Yeah,
water,
yeah,
but
yeah.
the bubbly stream.
She's not a still water for sure.
yeah.
yeah.
Great.
Bubbly water I am.
Bubbly water. Sparkling water.
Sparkling water I am. Best.
But I think this is your first web series.
Yes.
What took you so long to foray into OTT?
Ask the OTT people what took them so long to offer me one.
I'm sure you were offered.
No.
Really?
No. I wasn't, because I was always told that I'm quite an overexposed television face. So hence, it doesn't work for them. But I suppose
Oh God.
Yeah.
things have changed for the better.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And what a great show to mark your debut with, right?
I mean,
In this space.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean to say, the character is way different than what people have seen of me in the past. People relate with me as the glam, from the glam side. Where here I'm completely de-glammed, by the way. I'm playing a cop, which is something that I've been wanting to do. Not that it's very prominently shown in the series. Let me be very clear about that as well. It is there as a character. It's there, and then she's got a flair to her. She's a dialect. She's a Haryanvi cop, and she's very stern. And lots of things. She has a son. The whole mother and son bonding. She's fierce at the same time, very vulnerable. So she's got too many emotions coming together. It's very realistic and something that I relate to.
Yeah.
And, I suppose good things come
If you wait.
if you wait.
wait,
So I suppose the wait is over, and I suppose I was waiting for this.
Yeah. And hopefully this will mark the beginning of some great shows.
I hope so
Yes.
too. I hope so too.
I was doing some digging and I found this really old picture of the two of you. Do you remember where is this from?
Yeah, this is somebody's shadi reception.
This was from 2010, by the way.
Wow.
I'll tell you, this was Mushtaq's
Sister's wedding.
Sisters,
they did.
yes. Oh
Mushtaq's
my
sister's
God.
wedding. Yeah, Hannah Yumi.
You look like kids, man.
This was
We
2010.
still look
We
like
still
kids.
look like kids.
You actually don't look very
Ta-da.
different from then to now.
Yeah.
If
Okay
I cut
then.
my hair
If
that
you say
short, I'll
so.
still be the same.
But interestingly, I think this is the first time that you're working together.
Yes.
No scripts came your way wherein you could have collaborated in the past?
Actually, nothing came my way where she was there, and I think vice versa. No, it's never happened.
She's just disregarded me. Nothing. But she was there. She was not there only. I was there.
No, it actually never happened. Very strange.
Yeah. No. But it has never happened. Yes. In fact, we've done dance performances
Yeah,
together.
yeah. Award
at
shows
award
stuff.
shows
But,
in one act. But we've never worked
like
on a show.
acted together. Yeah.
But how do you think your friendship has evolved over the years?
Not that we were
In touch
obviously
all the
in
time.
touch all the time.
Yeah.
We've both been busy in our
Right.
respective
Right.
careers, but I don't think so. We've ever had that point where we have that awkwardness. We've always,
I think when we
started
met,
off where we
we
left
hit it off.
Yeah.
And then we met years later and we hit it off. So it was never like,
Yeah. You're back to square one. It
We're
just
just-
feels like yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
But lovely to see how you both keep pulling each other's, like especially you, hers.
see, she's a bully. She's a bully.
I'm not the one. You haven't seen her on the set.
She's a bully.
She's the sly one. She doesn't. Yeah.
Oh my God, see what a bully she is.
Do you guys agree to what she's saying?
She has her one-liners. ऐसा नहीं है. She doesn't have
Oh
a
yeah,
one-liner.
fair, but
Fair, fair. Vice versa.
तुम्हारी
I
10
am
लाइन आएंगी
vocal.
तो मेरी एक आएगी ना.
I am vocal.
But speaking of friendship, I think this show also has a group of friends, and while each of you are representing the power of each element, but I think you also derive in a way power and strength from each other, and that forms like the crux of the show. In real life, how important do you think is, of course we have our families, and I heard you talking about your families fondly, as we all should, but how important is friendship for you all, each one of you?
I think friendship has always been very important for me because I have in this show also you will see that friendship is very important for
Yeah.
Bela because she has a best friend Ahan who she tells everything to, even if she gets like a scratch and she's like, no, I have to call him, I have to tell him everything. So I think you can see that more than just it's power of everything. You can see the power of friendship, the power of love, the power of relationships, the power of bonds everybody has with each other in this show. I think you can see that. And in real life, I think it's also very important to have those kind of bonds, and I'm very grateful to have them.
for me, it's very important. After family, for me, it is friends,
Friends.
because me personally, my family kept shifting between different states and cities because of my dad's work. So I never had, that one chaddi buddy where you could just hit them up, ki chal bhai bahar chalte hain, chal aaja khelne ghar pe aaja. So I never had that friend. So now that I'm in Bombay, I have made some very, very, very dear friends,
How lovely.
and they have been there for like 5, 6 years, and now they are like my family. Like how for me my mom and dad are, they are also like that for me. Whatever issue I have in college, in personal life, in work, I can just text them, and I just know that even if it's 4 a.m., they'll be there for me. They'll reply back. So for me, friendship is very important.
Yeah. And I think, friends are also those people whose equation, whose reactions I think towards you never change irrespective of
Exactly.
the highs you hit or the lows you hit.
true
And that's
friend.
very
Yeah.
important.
It's
True
very-
friends, yes.
True friends.
See,
That's
you
what
can't
true
choose
friends are.
family, but
Yeah,
you can
you
choose
choose
your
your
friends.
friends.
Yeah.
So hence you've got to choose wisely, and when you make friends, it's like you're extending your family. They're,
Yeah.
they
Exactly.
become your extended family
That's-
inadvertently. So they are the people who you can bank on, when your family is not around you at that point of time. And then there are certain times when you cannot talk to your family about certain things, but you can bank on them.
Sure.
That you can. Maybe you can get the right guidance from them.
Yeah.
So friendship also is a very sacred bond. After family, I think it is friendship that matters the most. It's your surrounding by the end of the day. And it definitely matters.
Yeah.
You need to
It
have
matters a
positivity
lot.
around you. Everyone wants that.
Very true. There's a myth that says, you cannot be friends with, let's say, other actors. It's not real. Do you think it's a myth, actually? You could find friends in your
Yeah,
contemporaries?
my best friend is an actor and my contemporary.
I think that's a myth. That's
Yeah,
not
it is.
real.
For me, obviously, Purane dost to theek hai. Even the ones I made like a year ago, all the Power of Pach ka cast, we still hang around at
Yeah.
each other's places. We
Yeah,
call Raat ko,
exactly.
chalo, let's go out. It's not like that. We can
One
be
year,
friends,
we'll
yeah.
ask you after 10 years if they're still your friends. That is what she's trying to say.
No, but I
think my
think,
case was different.
yeah.
Yeah.
Even
My
I've had
case
a lot
was
of
different
actor
because,
friends quite.
I mean to say, I have so many friends from different walks of life.
Sure.
And then you're working with the same people every day, day in and out. Maybe my focus wasn't on making friends. Maybe my focus was completely different, of just getting to work, working, and getting back home. Priorities were different at that point of time. So maybe I didn't get to make too many friends, but I definitely made friends. I do have friends in the industry. Aisa nahi hai.
Yeah.
I have lots of acquaintances. Barka is a friend.
Sweet.
Barka is a friend now.
Now.
No, like I said, it's like there was a gap. Of course, there was a gap.
Yeah.
You cannot say
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, absolutely.
There was a gap. There was a distance.
Right.
I think I'm thankful for everything that the show has done. It has gotten me closer to her. In fact, the first day I was really looking forward to meeting her on the sets. Because that's where we actually met. We didn't meet.
We didn't meet before.
No, we didn't meet before. Like the kids
Yeah.
have had workshops and
Okay.
all of that. I didn't. I wasn't in the space to have that. But we met, and the first thing I ran to her room. I was like, "Hello, I'm back.
I'm back in your life."
So it was like that. But certain bonds don't ever fade
Change.
out.
But it's a
Right?
myth, I think. It is
Yeah,
nothing
it
to
is
do with the
actually a
industry.
myth. It's just the way you look at it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's
Many
about you
people
as
have
Like, I
many
have-
friends.
I have
Even I
friends
have a
in
lot
it.
of friends
I
in
have-
the industry.
Few of my childhood friends are actor with whom I worked
Exactly.
like 12, 13 years ago.
Yeah,
and
I can
we are still
imagine.
together,
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a very
same. Even I
personal,
have friends who I've worked
Funny,
with 9
I've
years
never worked
back.
with any of my friends, except for Tarana. Yeah, Shimona's a very dear friend of mine as well, but I've never worked with her. Never ever. But still, we're great friends.
Okay. Guys, coming to the two of you, you began as child actors. You also did, by the way.
Yes, 6.
You were just 6.
Right, na? 6, na?
Yes.
Wow. But tell me
You're
something.
you're making them do the math right now, aren't you?
You've been in the industry, what, 50 years?
Anyway, she's ageless. Okay. No, what I'm trying to say is, like you were in Uri, we
Yes.
heard you talking about that. You have played Ranbir Kapoor ka Bachpan multiple times. But from then to now, of course, I'm not saying that you're old now, but you're still young, but you're still
Older.
playing. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
playing lead roles now, Is the transition difficult, do you think, from then to now? Because you do not know how the makers are looking at you. Are they still looking at you as child actors? Do you think, or maybe, sometimes they're confused, are these child actors now prepared enough, to be cast in lead roles? Do you think the transition can get difficult?
I think it depends on how you have, like, how you look at it. It depends on how you look at it and how you think of it. Because for me, I think it's always been that my acting will talk itself. You know, the work I do will showcase itself, and here doing a lead role in this web series, I think will speak for itself for many different projects. And I think you should always be a director's actor. And while being a director's actor, I think once you understand how they want to see you, I think you can get to know yourself also better off, you know, how you can try different things, how you can do much more than you thought you could.
Sure.
I think that's how I would look at it. I think yes, every journey is difficult. Even to get roles as a child actor was also difficult for me, because when I shifted from Delhi to Mumbai, I had no work for 6 to 8 months. I was just sitting at home.
people also at that time.
Yeah, I didn't know anybody here. So that transition was difficult. But I think now when you have already done quite a lot of work, I think your work will speak for itself.
Yeah. But do you have any memories from, let's say, Tamasha or Bombay Velvet with Ranveer? Any
So
conversation?
when Bombay Velvet mein, so Anurag sir didn't reveal me. So Ranveer didn't knew that someone, like, he didn't look at my face ki someone is playing. So we were in Sri Lanka, the set, and it was like late at night, around 11, 12. And so Anurag sir is like, ki Ranveer, I'll show you who is playing your younger version. So Ranveer is like, okay, so let's go. He's very excited because he didn't see me. So now Anurag sir is like, I was around this height wo time pe. So he kept me, he hid me piche around. So abhi Ranveer is like, dikha. So Anurag sir is like, he puts me ऐसा सामने, and Ranveer is like, he's just shocked. He didn't say a word. He clicked a picture of mine and he sent it to his mother. कि ये देखो who is playing, and it's the same. And then Tamasha mein to it was like, अरे तू वापस आ गया. So yeah, he made me very comfortable. He was like very chill with me when I asked him. So I went to get his autograph, because obviously I was like, wow, Ranveer Kapoor. So, and he's like, I was like, भाई आपका number मिलेगा क्या ऐसा? So he's like, हाँ, sure, ले लेना. And he saved my name as Junior, like Chota, like वैसे करके. So he still replies to me when
How
I text
sweet.
him. So yeah.
But you know, kudos to you for being a part of a film like Tamasha. It's like a cult film.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Beautiful film. Okay, tell me something. So, you know, these days a lot of TV actors, basically actors who started, you know, with television, and when they try to foray into, let's say, films or OTT, the one thing that a lot of people have been vocal about is the kind of perhaps the discrimination, for the lack of a better word, that they face. You know, casting directors or makers are like, oh, you're a TV face, you know, so you might not be the first choice. Of course, there are then auditions and all, which makes the process democratic. You have both, you know, I think started from TV. Did you face something similar when you tried to
Isn't
foray?
every second person on OTT from TV today?
Yeah.
Nana, rest my case.
What about films?
Never really, you know, went into that zone. We never really ventured out. I never really thought about it. So I'm not going to speak on that matter. But when it comes to OTT, everyone, when OTT was, you know, when OTT started, everyone was, you know, took a sigh of relief that, you know, now there's going to be a bigger platform for actors to perform, and, you know, there are going to be better concepts coming their way. But unfortunately, I mean to say, well, shit happens. Sorry if I can say that, but yeah.
Okay.
Certain things do happen. Maybe for the good initially. But I suppose then even they realize that no, there is something more to these actors. So I don't understand why do they, because I've always had this problem, even with the media, let me be very honest. The thing is, when they have to introduce us, they call us TV actors, so and so. You don't seem to be doing that with any other actors from any other arenas.
Yeah.
Why? So why just TV actors? Why are just we being put into that box?
Yeah. Very true.
Well, nobody seems to be questioning that, and I always talk about it. So it's okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, मैं तो यही बोलती हूँ. So I'm fine with it. But today I know for a fact that there's every second person on OTT is a television person. I mean to say,
That
yes,
is
you are churning out. There is talent on television. There has to be.
Yeah.
I mean to say, otherwise, you think television would have survived for so long? And television is one medium that I have personally felt that has welcomed everyone with open arms. Be it TV, be it OTT, everyone has been on television.
Even film actors.
Yeah,
for that
even that's what I said. Be it films, be it OTT, everyone has been on TV. But why can't the same happen
Yeah.
on these platforms?
Very true, very true. Barkha, you want to add something?
She's done it all.
Yeah, I have eventually gotten into the web circuit. It has been difficult, and yes, I have got that TV actor exposed on television. The face is exposed, but TV actor more so. Initially, it was, I think the way Urvashi is feeling right now is what I felt a couple of years back. I felt a little offended saying that why, but I also realized that television has its limitations, right? We are required to act in a certain way, and that's what we do. So a maker who's casting for completely adverse content on OTT will look at a TV actor and say, hey, okay, this is her range, right? Or his range, because that's all that we do. For years, I don't think my range has not gone from here to here. It's here, right? So I think to be the devil's advocate, for a maker to say, I'm not sure if this person has a range wider than that. And also when you have done so many years of one kind of acting, unless you're a really, really evolved actor, it's very difficult for somebody to put that trust in you and say, hey, I think she'll be able to break the mold.
Yeah.
So that is what happened initially till I think, I don't know, maybe they ran out of actors and then started saying, okay.
I didn't want to say that.
because really, you would see the same faces on OTT. I mean, I don't want to name the actors, but you would see the same faces in almost every series, and then they're like, now what? Because film actors didn't want to get into OTT at that point of time. It's only much later that film actors have started coming in. So they were like, what do we do now? And I think when it started with that television thing, and I think when television actors started breaking that mold, is when television actors actually got that acceptance.
Right.
That, hey, they can do. I mean, I've had directors approach me now who have seen some of my work and said that, how come I didn't know of you before? So they're not television viewers per se, but for them it was like, how come I don't know of you before? So the mold has broken. It's taken its time, but yeah.
Okay. Well, let's be positive about it. I'm sure now everybody knows you, Varkha. Come on. As we speak, by the way, your Bengali film is doing really well.
Yes, it is. Karan, it's super hit.
Okay, the last 1 minute. As we wrap this up, tell me what's the first word that comes to your mind when you hear of Power of Punch? One word.
Fire.
Relationships.
Okay.
Thrill.
Drama.
Amazing.
Magic.
Amazing. Okay. One superpower you wish you had. It can be anything frivolous, okay? It has to be frivolous.
Superpower.
Yeah.
I wish I could be invisible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We all wish.
The power to just be invisible. Yeah.
I wish I could teleport.
Hey, that would be nice.
Interesting.
I wish I could hear other people's thoughts.
Ah.
Urvashi is in deep thought.
I wish I could hear what she's thinking now.
No. I'm not interested in anybody's thoughts. Trust me on this one. I have too many of my own to deal with others' thoughts. No, but I think, well, now that I've been called a bully, I would like to stop time in that moment, freeze the time, and bully everyone as much as I can.
Okay, the last person you stalked on social media, be very honest, guys.
Last person I stalked. Disney Plus Hotstar. Because I was watching the promo again and again and again and again.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, I think I also stalked Disney Plus Hotstar.
I stalked myself.
She's a parrot.
You stalked yourself.
Yeah, because I was like, Abhi, I'm going, there's promotions and all. How is my profile looking? So I took my friend's phone and I was stalking myself from my friend's phone.
Okay.
I think even I reach the end of my account every day to see what I used to post, how I used to do things.
बड़ी फुर्सत है यार इसके पास to reach the end of our account.
No, because
Trying to remember, I'm pretty sure it is some guy.
Wow.
But I have a lot of these, you know, like these fleeting crushes on some. I look at some profile and say, wow, nice looking, or dances well, or nice body, or whatever. And then I'm like stalking that person. I don't remember the name, honestly, but it must be some guy for sure.
That way, I have all animals.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My algorithm is filled with animal feeds.
Okay, and the last one, like you said, the one thing that you kept hearing is that Urvashi is overexposed, right? I want to know from each one of you, which is that one most bizarre reason of professional rejection that you have faced?
For me, it would be Instagram पे ज़्यादा followers नहीं है. That is a one which, as an actor, it's just
I mean,
annoying
how
that
are these things related?
Yeah,
right?
exactly. And for me, I'm an actor first.
Yeah.
That's what I've been doing for 13 years. That's what I want to do
Yeah.
in future. And when you say कि you're defining कि they had इनके ज़्यादा followers नहीं है, वो views नहीं आते हैं, that's
So
just
that is like the
that's
most.
just
Yeah, that is bizarre for all of us.
Yeah.
I mean,
Bizarre
it's just
and,
that sudden
like,
trend
most
that started
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
was ridiculous. I mean, to say just because you have followers doesn't mean you can act.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Or do anything, actually. But
But
yeah.
that doesn't give you a degree.
Yeah.
True. Absolutely.
But yeah. But otherwise, bizarre. I don't remember anything bizarre. Because I always thought the rejection was very valid. So I don't know.
I think
वैसे तो मैं तो रिजेक्शन तो हुआ ही नहीं है ना, मेरा तो रिजेक्शन नहीं हुआ, मुझे तो ऑफर ही नहीं किया है, पहले ही बोल दिया, I was dismissed earlier. Oh, no, not to overexposed. I'm like, all right.
I think,
I'm going to say, so much so for calling yourselves creative geniuses.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like good for them, but yeah, fine.
Equally ridiculous.
I would
actually.
say, I think, not rejection, but I think I've heard this a lot, ki now to you're an influencer. I don't think that changes the way of how I am as an actor, because I've always been an actor first, and I've been a child actor, and then I started Instagram much later on. I started I started Instagram in lockdown 2020.
Okay.
So I think that does not change the way I am as an actor or how I am as an actor. I don't think, I've heard this a lot, but I don't think that changes the fact that I'm an actor.
I don't really know who even sets all these,
Parameters.
parameters. I really don't understand. Where is it actually coming from? Where does it actually stem from? It's unbelievable.
Yeah, that's true. Well, on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.